Hey guys, CanFab here, and today I'm going to do my unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box and the Sephora Play. Yes, I did already look at them, and they are quite disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully, maybe not this video, but I got a new Apple Watch for Christmas. So my husband was like, you're only gonna have like 3 presents because your presents are really expensive, so don't buy me anything. So I literally bought him essentials, what I buy him every year. Underwear, shirts, socks, whatever. And he got me a freaking Apple Watch. He said we weren't spending a lot of money on each other, like less than 100. What the okay. Anyways, that's what you get for having the sweetest husband alive. I'll call myself lucky. Anyways, let's start with the Allure Beauty Box. There is a very large item in there, which doesn't allow it to close all the way. So let's open her up. So we get the pamphlet that we get every single time. This time we got a pamphlet of a palette that I already knew was in there. Like I said, I'm a little sad about this box. So one thing though that I see that I am dying to try is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with sea salt. So I have one of the scrubs, like scalp scrubs, in my shower right now, and you use so little, just like the tiniest bit, and you get so much out of it. Oh my god, this smells like the freaking ocean. Like not the dirty shoreline with the dead fish, but like out when you're out in the middle of the ocean, you just smell the salt water. Oh my god, that smells amazing. But like fresh linens too, like freshly washed towels that you're laying on while you're out in the middle of the ocean. Yep. Oh, it smells amazing. I highly recommend this brand. I do know that they sell them at Sephora, and since I've tried quite a few samples from them, I cannot get enough. These are fantastic, fantastic products. And this is for sensitive or oily scalp. I get oily in the summertime, but I'm very sensitive and dry in the winter, so that's why I don't wash my hair every day. I wash my hair like every 3 days, because if I wash my hair every day, I would literally have dandruff flakes. My son has a very sensitive dry scalp as well. I almost think I should use an oil on his scalp because I think he's got a little bit of the dandruffy going on. I'm sorry, Carter. That was from me. But I'm really excited about that. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Trust Issues. Just by looking on the container, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. No. So this is a very deep plummy berry color. It smells fine. I mean, it looks really pretty, you guys. It looks like a really vampy, gorgeous purple. I'm never gonna wear that. So I am gonna put this in my giveaway pile. I have been working on a giveaway pile for the end of the year for 2019, but I wanna get a few more things in there for you guys. So I am going to put this on hold until the beginning of 2020 so that I can get a bigger giveaway pile for you guys. So kind of excited about that. And then we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Clear brow gels are just not my favorite. It is this tiny little tube, which that will actually last me quite a while. I typically prefer the tinted brow gels, and the one from Essence, the Make Me Brow, is my favorite. You guys saw that in a recent haul. I picked up 2 of those, and those will literally last me for like 4 to 6 months depending on how often I do my makeup. Lately in the months of like October, November, December, I have only done my makeup like maybe 25 times in the entire 3 months. I can't be bothered with it right now. My skin broke out crazily last week after I did my makeup, so it's finally back to neutral and I'm finally able to wear makeup again. So I don't like to wear makeup when my skin is breaking out and freaking out because it just makes it worse. Okay, one thing I see that I'm really excited about. Is this a full size? I think this is a full size, you guys. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So everybody talks about how freaking amazing this is. I did purchase one at the Sephora VIB sale just recently. The packaging, like the birthday packaging. But I have yet to try it because I have so many moisturizers and primers in my collection right now that I just need to finish. So most of them are on their last legs and I'm just trying to get them out now that we're at the end of 2019. But yeah, okay, so that was it. No, I'm just kidding. That would be a little sad. But this is what is in the bottom of my box. You guys know that they're selling these at Marshall's and TJ Maxx right now, and they can't even sell them off the shelves. Nobody really wants these. It's a little unfortunate, but this is the Moonchild palette. This one was really popular when it first came out. I am just not into these crazy colored highlighters, so I haven't even touched mine, and I'm almost certain I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile simply because I only see maybe 2, maybe 3 colors. I would use the Blue Ice because it looks like it's just a very like whitish highlighter. Pink Heart, I would definitely use a pink toned highlighter. The one in Star almost looks like a dirty highlighter. I want to take this off, but I don't want to touch anything. Star is like that one right there. I would probably use that one. Lucky Clover has a green tone. Would never use that. Blue Moon has like a purpley blue tone. Would never use that. And then Purple Horseshoe is like super purple. I would never use that either. So I don't need any of these colors for eyeshadows. I'm a little disappointed in this. I know this was supposed to be like the special Anastasia Beverly Hills box, and you know, this was supposed to be so great, but like, I don't know. I am going to be putting these two in the giveaway pile. So you'll get the Moonchild Glow Kit, which, like I said, I'm kind of sad that they're all those crazy colors. But this is a vegan formula and it is a cruelty-free brand, so you have that going for you. And then this is also a vegan formula. I don't know if they changed that. It sounds like they have, because I don't remember this being a vegan formula prior. So you get these two in the giveaway as well. Maybe let's just do a giveaway at the end of this video. No, I'm not gonna do that. All right, but that was everything in my box. So all in all, I'm keeping 3 things: the brow gel, the Christoph Robin hair scrub or scalp scrub, and the primer from First Aid Beauty. So I'm really not that disappointed, but I'm a little disappointed. Okay, and now I'm gonna do Sephora Play. I only wanted to do these in the... So, you guys know, maybe you don't know, my neighbor this way passed away, and his family, I guess, has hired somebody to go and fix the house. So they just pulled out, and they're gonna be super freaking loud because our walls are like paper. So I'm just gonna get through this. I'm so sorry if you guys hear noises in the background, and my dogs are real upset about it because there's not supposed to be that truck in that driveway and they know it. So okay, I don't remember what bag it was this time. I did use it as my son's sandwich bag and I've since thrown it away. Yeah, they're talking. But anyways, I think it was like an orange bag this time. So for my little foil packet, I got the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. I think I'm working on a deluxe size sample right now. I'm almost 100% sure. I don't really style my hair, but I do use it as a like leave-in conditioner, so I'll use that. Then I got another one of the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom creams. This is like the little, you know, sample size. Ooh, this does not have a like safety seal on it. I'm surprised. So everybody was saying that this formula is actually a lot thinner than it used to be, and I like that. My girlfriend at work hates that. She liked it when it was more of like a body butter. It is definitely a thinner formula now, which I love because then it doesn't feel so thick and oily and greasy on my hands. So, I mean, they should make 2 different formulas, the thicker like body butter type and then the thinner lotion type. I'm just saying. Okay, and then we got the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This will definitely get used. I love to use this on the go, or sometimes if they're getting old, I'll just use them here. But the All Nighter is my absolute favorite setting spray. You guys saw that in my favorites of 2019, and I'm sure my favorites of 2018 as well. Alright, so it seems like Anastasia Beverly Hills is dipping their little toes in every single box this month. So I got another one of the liquid lipsticks. Oh no, I'm just kidding. It's not a liquid lipstick. It is the Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. Huh. Oh, so it's a tinted brow gel. Interesting. It's really dark. I will try it, but look how freaking cute that is. It's teeny tiny, but it's in dark brown. I would have liked like a medium brown, but we'll roll with it. Okay, and then I got a Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick, and it is in like a packaging that I of course have to open. So let's open it, and this is in the shade Golden Pink. I definitely have one of these, so I won't swatch it yet. But I don't know, maybe I'll put this in the giveaway too. We'll see. I don't really use shadow sticks very often. I do use them, but not very often. And then finally we got something from Tarte. This is the Drink Up H2O Hydrating Boost. I was just going through my samples that I need to finish, and this reminds me so much, like the texture, so much of the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. So I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. Like I said, I'm going through a bunch of moisturizers and primers right now, but this is going to be one of my next ones that I want to try to see if it is comparable to the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb, because I love that one. And it's a little expensive, but if you get it in like the gift kits and stuff at Sephora with the 20% off, it's actually quite affordable. So yeah, that was everything, you guys. It was a little sad, right? Those two boxes. Like, I know everybody was so excited about the Anastasia one, but like, I don't know. I just wasn't excited. A little disappointed this time. So yeah, I think those are the end of the boxes for the year of 2019. I don't think I have any more boxes coming in. Maybe? I don't know. Did I even get Birchbox? I don't think I got a Birchbox this time around. I tried to cancel it. Maybe they actually canceled it for me this time. Huh. Interesting. Okay, I am gonna let you guys go. I have more videos to film today. I have been doing a lot of cleaning today and finishing wrapping presents. No, it is not before Christmas. It is the day after Christmas. Actually, 2 days after Christmas. It is the 27th now. And my desk is a mess. And I need to clean and use up more makeup because I have way too much. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxings. Yes, I will be doing more next year. I would like to know in the comments down below if you guys have been liking me doing the individual boxes so that you can see, you know, just the boxes you're interested in, or if you liked it when I was doing it before, when I was doing like all 6 boxes on the same video. It tends to get a little bit long and drawn out, especially when I'm editing those. It's just like, I'm done watching it. I don't know if that's the way you guys feel as well, but I would be really interested to hear what your opinion is, and that way I can kind of keep them a little bit shorter. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm gonna go. I have some more filming to do, so you guys will see this face more often, but I will talk to you later, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. I'm in Michigan, and it did not snow. Yes, I feel like a winner. It'll probably snow on Sunday though, because I'm driving an hour out to my mom's house and my dad's house. It'll be great. All right, have a good day. Bye.